3 Key Steps to Successful Weight Loss on the Keto Diet. Focus on macronutrient ratios. The key to achieving ketosis is to consume a diet that is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. This means that the majority of your calories should come from fat, around 20 to 30% should come from protein, and less than 10% should come from carbohydrates. Track your macros. To ensure you are eating the right amounts of each macronutrient, track your food intake using a food journal, app, or keto calculator. This can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed to maintain ketosis. Monitor your carb intake. Keep your carbohydrate intake below 50 grams per day to maintain ketosis. This is because carbohydrates are the body's preferred source of fuel, and consuming too many can prevent your body from entering and staying in ketosis. To know more about successful keto diet tips, click the link below and pinned comment.